What is the value of 2 to the power 10? Subtract 10 to the power of 2. Well, I understand 10 to the power 2, but I don't have in my head 2 to the power 10, so I'm going to need to work it out. But this one should be pretty quick to answer once you've got what 2 to the power 10 is. So we're looking at 2 to the power 10, subtract 10 to the power 2. So let's just write them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's just start with 10 squared is 10 multiplied by 10, which is 100. Okay, so 2 to the power 1 is 2, 4, and we are doubling. We're multiplying by 2 each time. So we've got 1,000, we've got 0 to 4, 1,024, subtract 100. $924, and therefore the answer is D.